Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Cup Pong on iMessage. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the messaging app. Now, once you're in here, you just need to basically select a contact where iMessage is available for them as well. And then go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now go ahead and tap on more at the very bottom. Now tap on store. Okay. Now in here, use the search bar at the very top and just type down Game Pigeon. Right here. Tap on it and find Game Pigeon, and after that, just tap on Get. And once it's installed, gotta go back to the messaging app right here. Now select the contact again where iMessage is verified and they're using iPhone as well. So go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now tap on more, and you should now be able to see Game Pigeon. Just tap on it, and then from here you'll need to find the Cup Pong. Okay, as you can see here in the second row, you'll be able to see it. So go ahead and tap on it. Now select a game mode. Should it be a triangle or a random game mode? So once that's done, tap on the send button. There you go. And again, you need to verify. You need to send it again. Tap on it. And after that, all you got to do is just tap on play and wait for your opponent to join. So the objective of this game is just to throw ping pong balls into your opponent's red cups to eliminate them. And the first player to sink a ball into every single one of their opponent's cups wins the game. And that is how you play Cup Pong on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.